We have fire. It's burning down pretty good now. Just wasted all this time and effort. Let's give this another shot. Hello, welcome back to another episode from Pale Horse Survival and Tactical. I'm Bill. I'm glad you could join me. Today we're going to take a look at the incense cedar. Stay tuned. Hello, welcome back. We have in front of us here is an incense cedar. The botanical name is Cedrus decurrens. Incense cedars are evergreen. They're found at mid to high elevations throughout Oregon and southward into Baja California. Incense cedars grow to a height of 100 to 150 foot and live to be up to 500 years old. The trunks are deeply furrowed and they always fan out wider at the base. It's one way to identify this. The leaves are scale-like, and they have a very pungent aroma to them. We'll take a look at that here shortly. Stay tuned. Okay, here we are. Over here at some of the leaves. Leaves are flat and scale-like. Very, very aromatic. The incense cedar was used to make pencils. So if you remember being in school and loving the smell of a number 2 pencil, they were made from the wood of this tree. It's very aromatic. I can smell the aroma of these from here. Let's get a little closer look at the bark. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back. This is a really good representation here of the Cedrus decurrens, the bark. It's very, very heavily furrowed bark. And you can see that classic widening at the base. You can really see how furrowed this is. The leaves of the incense cedar can be made into smudge sticks, and the cedar has all of the same cleansing, purifying, and protective qualities of sage. You can use it for personal purification, smudging homes, etc. It's very, very ceremonial. Some native tribes made a decoction out of the leaves for stomach issues. An infusion of the leaves produced steam, which was inhaled as a cold remedy. And Native Americans would use the boughs as improvised brooms, which were also very aromatic. Stay tuned. Let's put a smudge stick together. Hey, welcome back. I picked some of the green boughs, and what you want to do, it depends on how thick or thin you want your smudge stick. This has got 5 boughs in here. So basically just let them hang down. Put your bundle like this. Now you should use thread. thread or kite string, which is what sage is usually bound with. I don't have either with me, so I have some dental floss here. So I'm actually going to use this in another video shortly. So just start at the top. These really smell nice. Once you get it started, just let it hang down. Gravity will more or less keep these in control here. And then you just go and tie it off, and you can cut the end of this off, and anything that's sticking out can be trimmed off to neaten it up. That's all there is to making a smudge stick. Just set that off to the side, let it dry for a while, and you just light it on the end, and it'll smolder, and you can use it just like a sage smudge stick. Enjoyed the video as much as I did making it today. Please like, subscribe, and share. I hope all of you are having an outstanding day or night, depending on where you're located, and I will see all of you very soon on the next one. Everybody take care. Bye-bye.